Testing 1, 2, 3. Hi, yeah, I'm about to start this session. Right, okay, thanks for joining. Phone a day, yeah, all right, yeah, I'm listening my own voice. Let me mute. Right, okay, I think let's start. I think this should be something interesting. I have done similar sessions in the past, like with some CMS. I think it's much simpler, and it will be something similar. I'm going to show you the app I'm building today. So basically I have the app. So basically it's a simple Next.js app. So running on port 3009. Oh, I need to share the screen now. So I'm making this mistake all the time. All right, okay, now we have the, all right, let me show you the app. So it's a simple running on port 3009. So simple blog app. We can see blog post, and we can have some content. We can add comments. Of course, we can log in with we have with Next.auth. We have simple login functionality. All right, what else? Like, yeah, that's it. So right now we have a kind of fake authentication system. So yeah, we can easily hook up with something real, but in this case it's totally fine to have something test version. Right, then let's start to create the phone account and try to create the schema or the database. So whatever they call. I already tried to create an account, and so because I want to like see whether I can use my test GitHub account to create that. So they have Netlify, so which is interesting. I wonder where's Zeit. Sorry, where's L here? Right. Let's try to log in with GitHub. So yeah, we have the account, and let's create a new DB. All right. Let's get my blog app. Right. Blog app, which is cool. I don't think, yeah, I'm gonna skip this populate demo data. Maybe I'll try with another. So yeah, sample db, and then I'll create a new one. Okay, right. So we have customers, right? So basically some documents, orders, products, warehouse, a storehouse. Okay, so these are the collections. I think okay, interesting. This is like a schema-less database. So yeah, that's interesting. Okay. Yep, it is. Yeah, that's interesting, and then that makes our lives pretty much simpler. Okay. Right, about collections. Oh, interesting. We have indexes. So that's something interesting, because I use a CMS, Graph CMS, which is kind of nice, really nice. So they have like automatic indexing solution, which is interesting, and I really like it. But here we have indexes, but that gives some more control, maybe more pricing options. So that's understandable. New index. And I also use Cosmos DB for a long time, so they have automatic indexing feature, which is really nice. And yeah, so that yeah, if we have that in Fauna, I think that will reduce some burden from some users, especially someone who want to like create something without worrying about other stuff. Right, let's forget about this thing, because we don't need an index right now. We have functions, I think like a stored procedures kind of thing. Yes, it is. Right, this looks like, okay, interesting. Looks like Haskell. I mean, like I tried to do like functional programming while a few years ago. Like it looks like this. Yeah, okay, interesting. All right, we have a shell, GraphQL, security. I think shell we can query. Okay, so how can I use? Okay, this is where I can run them. Paginate collections. Okay, interesting. Gonna run query. Okay, I'm quite not sure how to use it. Maybe I can create some documentation to get this. We have GraphQL. Oh, so this is nice. We have the GraphQL. Okay, I don't need the shell. I mean, most of the time. So this is fine. Okay, not here. Right. Yeah. All products. Yep. So then how can I get products? Right, all products. Create out. Okay. All customers. Okay, how can I create? Yeah, let's try to create the our own collection and figure it out how to work with querying options. Okay, all right. I think we can create some custom querying options for sure. I think there's an option to do that. ID and orders are there. Right, and definitely we will have some option. Maybe once we add an index, that will be automatically created. So that's we can figure it out. Right, I think yeah, sample DB is fine. I'll create a new one. So am I allowed to do that? Yeah, we have new database. Call as a blog. Yes, okay, we can migrate. All right, cool. That's interesting. Okay, create a first collection. Let's do that. Collection name, post. I'm not sure whether we're gonna do plural or singular term here. So let me check the other database. Okay, sample DB orders. Yeah, that's plural. Blog. I'm gonna create a collection called post. So this is where I'll store my blog post. TTL, like yeah, I'm not gonna worry about right now. Yeah, I don't really delete everything. But that's interesting. See, we have TTL option here, which is nice. History. Okay, what's this? Oh, document history is retained for at least. Okay, what is this? Document history is retained for at least this many days. Okay, history. Okay, oh, that's interesting. So basically, oh, that's the, okay, thanks. What's your name? rambling, which is really hard to read. Anyway, it's fauna dev. Yeah, I think from fauna. So thanks for the tip. Like, so can I have your name? Okay. Data. Okay, data breach. This is interesting. Right. Right. All right. Okay. Anyway. So yeah. Thanks for helping me. Yeah. History. So that's interesting. So that's a really nice feature for a database. Yeah. You can travel back, which is nice. Right. I think I'll good with these options, and I'm gonna create it. Okay. Create a new document. So JavaScript. Okay, that's nice to have, like, because I don't want to create these codes. If that's JSON, it's really weird. Okay, I'm gonna create so in my blog post we have slug. Okay, let's call it hello world. Anyway, I'll start creating codes. Then we have a title, hello world from fauna db, and then we have content. This is something written. Okay, inside. Okay, where's my fauna? Right, that's markdown. Then I think I need to have created at times. Maybe that's we can have automatically enable. I don't know about that. Let's save it. Right. Okay, it's not there. Like, it's really nice. Okay, now we have to create the created at time. Created at. I think we have JavaScript. We can do date.now, I guess. Let me try that. Oh, okay, we don't allow to do that. Okay. Which I didn't expect to anyway. Right. Okay, I'm good. And now, yeah, ID. I don't need an ID anyway, but maybe it's automatic. Oh, we have fauna query language. Okay, yeah, lips. Yeah. Which is kind of interesting and kind of scary. Like, I haven't written a Lisp and any familiar languages, something like, in a while. But I'll try. Not right now. Maybe later on. All right. Okay. Right. This is cool. I'm gonna save it. Right. Then let's get another one just to make sure, like, I have some data. Okay. New document. I'm gonna create a new document. Let's call it. We have a slug, which is another post. Okay, we have a title, another blog post. All right, and then I'm gonna have content. Okay, this is content. This is the content, and then we have created that. I'm gonna get okay, cool, and then I'm gonna save it. So I'm gonna try using the GraphQL schema. Oh, interesting. Okay, DB, or maybe I'll try later. Okay, can I try to GraphQL? Okay, which is interesting. I don't have a schema. So yeah, I think definitely I need to define a schema, like. Oh, right. Thanks. So basically, we have okay. So maybe we have a TS timestamp already provided. Oh, okay. It's the updated time. Yeah, they're the same with Cosmos DB as well. So they call it underscore TS, which is yeah, weird. Yeah, having a .ts is pretty nice. So yeah, so I can sort it maybe. Right. So I need to import the schema. Can I write the schema? no, I cannot. Right, okay, what are the options we have? I think I need the schema for sure. So what are the things? So I need to create GQL, I guess. Create a file called GQL. Right, let's create a file called schema. Not here, maybe, yeah, lib is fine. GQL. Okay. Right, now I'm gonna type yeah, I forgot how to write GraphQL schemas. GraphQL schema syntax. Okay, I think this is fun. Right. Okay. GQL schemas. Okay, here we need to figure it out. Okay, type. Yes, this is what we want. Right. Okay, I'm gonna copy this here. Okay, we have type post. So string, we don't have name, but we have slug, and then we have a title, which is also in string, and we have content, which is also string. We have created at, which is a number, but I'm not sure whether we call it number or integer. It's integer. All right, which is good. I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna load it to the schema file here. All right, import schema. So it should be in my data and then temporary and here. So I'm gonna drag it here. No, there are too many things, this is fine. And we have the lib directory and it's called schema.gql. All right, now we have it. Okay. Right. So if you use GraphQL, Phonody will create a collection and indexes for you. Okay, which is nice. All right, thanks. All right, so we have the schema. Oh, there will be new collection. Okay, interesting. Oh, right. So then, okay, that's pretty interesting. So so that means the collection is managed by the this GraphQL schema and fauna. Interesting. Update schema. Okay, for the update, I can okay. So it's really nice to like give like a text editor. I can update the schema from here, which is interesting. I'm quite not sure why you didn't like go through that stage. Yeah. Anyway, I can upload it, which is not a big deal. Right. Okay, we have the post collection. So let me go to that. Okay. Yeah, we don't have any document. So let me grab something here. Edit and copy because I want to write it again. New document, and I can enter. I can save it. Okay, which is nice. So let me do something like this, and I'm gonna enter new field which is not in my GraphQL schema. Yeah, APC 10, and still it allows me to like save. Okay, which is fine. Right, and then so since it create indexes. Okay, we have. Okay, let me get this on as well. All right, and I'm gonna collections, post, new document. All right, and I'm done here. Right, then I have the GraphQL shell. So I'm gonna have post. Right, I need to. Okay, sorry. Should be post. Find by post ID. Oh, I have something called all post. Okay, what we have? I think we have posts. Or maybe post. Okay, interesting. What are the docs? What are the? Okay, find by post ID. Can I have a list? Okay. Oh, interesting. So types are only enforced when you're using GraphQL. If you use dashboard to create documents, you are under the. Okay. Oh, So that means, oh, right. So basically I need to add a query to the, okay, that's interesting. Okay, right, fauna DB. So query about this one. Okay, how can I write a query for this? Let me check docs. Fauna DB docs GraphQL. Okay, something like this. Let me go to the docs because yeah. All right, this is what I do. Okay, interesting. Okay. All right, thanks. And I'm gonna go this, yeah, because I mean, when I'm doing like usual GraphQL, I'm gonna type the resolve as well, because I was wondering like how to do that here. Yeah. And I'm pretty new to GraphQL, maybe. So because I haven't used GraphQL for a while, I think I tried it maybe 3 years earlier. Like I was really heavy into GraphQL, but then I didn't do any GraphQL work for a long time after that. Okay, so yep, all posts. So I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, okay, right. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, right. Yeah, I think let me remove this, and this is cool. Now let me import it again, so then I have this schema for me. Right, where's the update schema? Is here. Okay, what happened? Okay, it's updated. Right, okay, then I'm gonna do all posts. Okay, interesting. And then I'm gonna go select get data. Okay, okay, what's that? Post page, all post, and we have the post page data. Oh, okay, we have the data, and then the title is like, oh, okay, interesting. Content. So okay, right, then yeah, we have all post data. I wonder why we need to put data here. So let me check what other step. Maybe it's for the cursor, maybe. Let me, yeah, I think no, not here, like post data after, yeah, that's for the cursor. Okay, right. Yeah, I understand. So we have like here we have size, not the size, that's for the like cursor. Okay, cool. Right, so yeah, I'm fine with that. Yeah, okay, cool. All post data, like right now we have this. Now I have another one. I need to like find by the slug, so then I need to create a like a new query for that. So let me figure out how to do that. So yeah, completed boolean. All right, so I need completed boolean. Oh, okay, maybe I can simply type the field and it will create the resolver for me. So that would be interesting. Okay, let me check. So I want to know like whether this is kind of like a standard, like how you define the schema, which is like a standard, or which is something come up with fauna while working with some. Yeah, I want to understand like find post. Okay, now let's try get post by slug, and I'm gonna type field which is okay, slug which is a string, and it should be, and the should be post. Yep, this one. Oh, okay, cool. Right. So here like a standard graph. Okay, so no, yeah, okay. So it's like a kind of interface here. So then by looking at the interface, like Fauna will figure out how to create the resolver, which is interesting. I wonder like yeah, I think this is fine. I don't need, yeah. So we have the slug, and yeah. Okay, let me import this, whether we can find out. Okay, yeah, right here. Okay, yeah, update and override. What's the difference? I'm not gonna do this. We override is schema will delete all collection. Oh, okay. It's okay. It's not what I want. So we can get all post, and I'm gonna do another one called get post by slug, which is slug, and I'm gonna do hello world, and I have data. Oh, in this case, it's just okay. It's just a single document. So then I can simply type like, okay, interesting. Title, slug, and the content. Then I can run it. Should work. Yeah, that's okay. That's interesting. All right. Okay. All right. This is all I want. All right. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. And I have comments. I had to work on the comments collection and also the user collection, but let's figure that later on. Okay. Let's implement this on my application. Right now we have the data, and I need to understand how to create how to use that. Maybe I think it's API key. Let's create a new key. Admin. What are the roles? Okay, we have admin, destroy. Okay, server can be create, destroy when it is. Okay. I'm gonna pick server. Okay, I think admin sounds kind of like a advanced type role. Key name, which is for the GraphQL client, and I'm gonna save it. So we have the key ID, and where's the key? Okay, key, which is won't show me again. It's cool. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna put it into my .env file. Let me create a .env file. New file .env .local. I'm gonna type fauna key. Okay, all right, this is it. All right, and key ID, which I don't think we will need it anyway. I'm gonna type it anyway. Fauna key ID. All right. Okay, now we have this, and I'm gonna use a GraphQL client to connect to this database, and I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna see. Let me go to the GraphQL client and try to see how to use that. Is there any GraphQL client? Okay, how can I use this key? So which is I want to show you. I want to see. Okay. Let fauna db key and GraphQL. Okay, GraphQL endpoint. Okay, this is. And then how can I authenticate? All right, we have. Okay, this is all we need. Okay, that's the authorization and the secret. Okay, which is host name should be this one, right? Yeah. And then okay, we're looking at host name, not import. I guess just scoring. I think this is all I need. So I'm gonna use GraphQL request to access this and use it inside my application. All right, let's do that. I think it's GraphQL request. All right. Yeah, this is it. I'm gonna use this. Okay. Should be. I'm gonna install it into my application. So here. All right. Okay. All right. Then how can I use this? Request. I think I need to use this version. Yeah. Here. This one. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna go to DB and I'm gonna create a new provider, which is Fauna. New file Fauna, yeah, fauna.js, and then I'm gonna type a new export function get post. So that's what we have, what I have here, I guess so. Yep, get post list. Yep, get post list. Okay, right, then I'm gonna import the not this one. Right, then I'm gonna do the authorization. How can I do that? Okay, here. All right, endpoint. Right, okay, right, this is it, and I'm gonna think it should be this one here on the where is it? Okay, yeah, this one, and that's my, okay, here I'm gonna use it, and authorization bearer, I think should, okay, all right, okay, and I'm gonna get it from the environment variables, process.env dot, I think I put it as fauna key. So basically, if with Next, if you put everything inside the env.local, you can access them inside your server side code. So if you put Next underscore public, and it will be available for all the places. Right, now we have this. I'm going to use this to fetch data. Right, then, okay. So let me format this. We have the GraphQL client. I'm gonna see how to use this. Okay, we have a GQL. Right, okay, should be, yeah, it should be simple. Let me create a query. GQL. I think I can do this outside, but I'm fine with that. Should be it's my query. So let's go to the schema playground. It should be all post. This one. This is what I need. Okay. Right. Okay. Yep. Right. We have all post and data. Right. Okay. Okay. All right. Right. Then I can execute this one using GraphQL. Should be a sync function. GraphQL const data should be await GraphQL client dot request, I guess, and this should be the GQL. I should be the query. Right, then I can return data dot all posts dot data. This should be the data post list, I guess. I think so. Yep, it is, and let me run this. I'm gonna use this in my application, and I'm going to go to the pages index.js. So I'm getting get post list from the data place. I'm going to use it, replace it to fauna. So then I should get the post list from here. So let's try that. If this works without any issues, I'll be really lucky. Because right. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. I think I need to inspect the output because the query seems to work. So there, it doesn't throw anything. So I can check. Yeah, I think I know the issue. Let me, without doing any debugging, let me do this. Rerun it again. Okay. Okay, schema. Okay. Okay, anyway, I need to inspect. Console log should be here. And I'm going to console log it for data. Right. And I'm going to see my logs. Okay. Okay, it should be data. And I have object. Okay. And then I'm going to see on. I think, yeah, I did it correctly here. Let me see again. Right. Yeah, I think I have data. So, but there's a problem when I created that. So I'm gonna check in the playground. Why was that? I'm gonna comment this thing and I'm gonna try create that. Okay, it worked. Okay, what's this? Okay, that's a minus number, which is kind of interesting. Oh, okay. Maybe I haven't. So there's something in my post collection which doesn't have created at time. Which is interesting. Because oh yeah, thanks. That's a pretty bad mistake. Yeah, this one. Thanks. Right. Yep. Okay, I think now it should be fine. Let me try the dashboard. Go to the dashboard and try to run it. Right, this time it worked. Amazing. Right, created that, and I can run it. Not here. From here, I need to like unpause the terminal. Right. Okay. All right. Yeah. Again, I mean, I did a mistake. Okay, pretty nice. So I think there's something wrong with the time anyway. Like, did I? Yeah. Thanks. That's cool. Like, yeah. I missed that too. Right, now we have a problem with the date. Which is interesting because it's returning something. Okay, I think it's because of the time, because I use the integer which cannot like. Yeah, I think pass int. I don't think it's passed in because because I put an integer, but I think I need to put a float kind of thing because integer couldn't handle that long data. Let me change it. Let me try to change it. It should be, yeah, it's 32-bit integer, maybe. Should possible anyway. Let me try to add a float in GQL. That's my GQL here, float, and I'm gonna update the schema. Anyway, I kind of like to have a schema inside my uploading a schema. The reason is now, yeah, it's all in my code base, and I can upload. Hi, hello, like hello. Right. All right, and this is good. I think now it should work. Thanks. Okay, cannot convert into double. Right. Let me. I think I need to add a put dot here maybe. All right, which is kind of interesting. Okay, and I'm going to do that for the other blog post as well. All right, let me run it again. Interesting. Can't convert to double. Ooh. Oh, okay. So I need to like, okay, to double. Interesting. Okay, I have to do this, which is interesting. Yeah, I mean, like, I understand, like, that's fine, totally fine. Edit it. Oh, what happened? To double. All right. So it's okay, it's not coming back when I understand. Okay, which is which one I edited actually, I'm quite not sure. Double. Okay. Right, and I'm gonna run the query again. Yeah, this time it should work. Yeah, so that's the issue, like integer couldn't handle that long kind of like a number. All right, but conversion, I think Fauna should have like done the type conversion for me, because the converting integer to double is quite fine, I guess. Yeah, that's strange. I mean, I think anyway, I think, oh, we have long. Okay, I didn't see that. Do we have, I mean, so I mean, inside GraphQL, I don't think we have long. Oh, that's interesting. So it's not listed, but we have which is nice. I didn't know about that. Long GraphQL. All right. Okay. I think it's did like, I mean, very long ago, I guess. Yeah. Oh, we have some docs. Thanks for that link. Oh, which is nice. Which is okay. Let me open this here. Right. We have input types. String, blah blah blah. Okay. We have time as well. Okay, we have user defined. Okay, which is fine. Right. Yep. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna skip that because now we've done that anyway. So we have created that, and I'm gonna right now reloading the page, and now it should give me like reason. Yeah, which is fine. And I'm gonna do the other thing as well, like getting the blog post, single blog post. It should be get post. Right. It should be like this. Export sync function get post, and I think I'm gonna copy this one because yeah, I'm kind of lazy to do this. Okay, but I have variables. I think how can I need to debug like how to define variables. Now I'm gonna kind of cheat here because this is something not we should not do. Oh, right. I didn't use time. I used the integer. I think that's why it caused the issue. That was the reason for issue. Should be get what's my query? Get post by slug, because I didn't know how to like how the time works with GraphQL, and whether it's the like a date string or the I was like to use a timestamp, which works. Like I don't have any issues with the querying options as well. right? I'm gonna do some cheating here because I don't remember the query how to use variables, which involves some things, but I will do in a moment. Right, slug. Here we have the slug. So we should not do it in a real app, so that will lead to a lot of security issues. Okay, right, and then we have the query, and I should be data dot this one. Right, then I'm gonna use this in my page where I render the blog post. Okay, where was it? I think here I just need to change it to fauna, which will just work. I assume it should work without any issues. All right, right. Okay, I click that. Okay, there's an issue. All right, I need to wrap it with strings schema. Where is an issue with the schema? Not the schema, but the query. Where was it? Okay, here. Okay, yep, it works. All right, so now we have blog post. I can read from the blog post, which is nice. This is all I need. So let's try to create a GraphQL actual. Let's try to fix this because this is not something I should do. Let me try GraphQL query with. So let's check this one, variables. Okay, how can I do that? Yep, kind of here. Okay, we should be query get movie. Get movie is just a string, I guess, which doesn't have any. Query my query, and I'm using a slug, which is, how can I define that? Yeah, which is a slug, which is a string, which is required, and I'm gonna simply use $slug here. All right, that's it. Yep, that's it. That's all I have to do. And I need to pass variables for sure. Right, pass variables. It should be string. Oh, thanks. Okay, it should be capital string, which is, yeah, okay, but I haven't. Yeah, it should be capital string. Thanks. Right. Okay, I think we are good here. Right. Yeah, we're done. Right. Yep. It's kind of slow because it's currently working on locally in the dev mode, which will fetch data from fauna again. I want whether phone has a CDN kind of thing, whether it's trying to find a closest location to my my deployment server. Let me check. Phone. How can I say edge? Phone DB CDN. How can I check? Edge location. Okay, region. Okay, it's just okay. All right, I need to figure it out. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Okay. Hi. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I think Eric is. Yeah. Okay. I think he's from the phone as well. Okay, right. I think I can check the database region to Asia, or maybe I'm trying to use it. Okay. So now we have a standard querying options. I think I can add support to the comments as well. I think it is the same thing. I'm trying to do it again. Let me try something new. Because now I know how to get data from fauna. I think okay. One thing I need to do, how to add a comment. Right. Then I can check mutations as well. So I want to know how to do that. So yeah, I think let's do that. Let's try to create comments collections as well, and very quickly, and try to Yep, let's do that. Right. Define schema. I have some called comments, types comments. So let me grab the data fields from my existing here. I think I have some data, not here. Right here, I think I have the data from here. This is some kind of weird schema. Yeah. Anyway, so right, I have a user ID string. It's import required name is a string, which is also required, and avatar is also a string, which is also required, and content is also string, which is also required, and date I decided to use it float. Anyway, I'm going to use it right now here as well. Right, this is the comment, and the user ID. So I need a reference. I should be slug, and it should be a string as well. Right, this is my comments. I need a query as well. I'm gonna all get comments by slug, I guess, and the slug is a string, and I should give me a set of comments, which is like this. Okay. Yep, I think this should work, and let me try to like get this update schema. This is my schema, and I'm gonna update it. Okay, and I think there should be a collection. Yes, it is. And I'm not gonna add anything here. I'm gonna try I'm gonna use a mutation to add something here. But I'm gonna try. Okay, this is interesting. Oh no, it's not interesting because I have the slug, and yeah. Yeah. I think mutations. That's I need to check. Mutations. Where do I have mutations? GraphQL fauna DB mutation. Okay, this is getting started. All right, mutation. All right. So this is how I create a mutation. Okay, this is the how can I do that in the schema? Okay, seems like I don't have to do that. So let me go to the GraphQL and let me check the docs. Okay, I have create comments. It's plural. Okay. So maybe I did. Okay, I did some mistake. Yeah. All right, that's why, because I put comments. I should not do that. Yeah. Thanks, Eric. All right. Yeah, I figured out. I think let me update it. So now I think I will have another collection. I think so, because there's no way to like detect that. Interesting. What was that? Comment. All right, now I had to override, but then it does it. Okay, it will delete my documents as well. I think I don't want to do that. Okay, let me try to. Okay, so I have this comment as well. I don't know what happened. Create schema. Okay, instant. Okay, instant data is not valid. Okay, can I copy this? Okay, I have some sort of data. Okay, fine. I'm gonna override it. I'll assume it won't delete my existing data. Okay, which is okay. I think it was mentioned that it will take some time. So while doing that, let me do something here. All right, yeah, I'm gonna create a new function to get comments as well. Right, I'm gonna copy this again, copy the whole thing, get comments. I think it should be the way I have the function is called get comments by slug. Okay, it's fauna here. All right, get comments. I have the slug here. Now I need the query thing. Sorry, and yeah, I need wait, sorry, I need these fields. I'm gonna copy these fields. Okay, and put it here. Okay, right, I'm gonna delete everything. Okay, that's fine. Yep, right, this is it. And I think I change the query name. Should be, let me check, it should be get comments by slug. Right, should be get some slug, and I have the slug which is the slug. Okay, all right, query is fine. I think this is all I need. Right, then let's the database. Okay, schema override successful. Let's run this. Okay, it should like, okay, it will drop everything, which is sad. All right, okay, all right, anyway, I have some data here. Copy wrap now. I think so let me have one blog post because I'm kind of silly. It's kind of, I'm kind of lazy to write. I think I need to create two double, and right, I'm gonna save it, go to schema, and it will, yeah, it will do that. And I'm here, I will have a database. I have a document, yeah, right, which is good. Now I have the comments query as well, so let me run it so then I can show my comments. Comments, where okay, here, okay, okay, here. So this is the Next.js API route. I'm using this pre here. I'm gonna replace it to fauna, and it will work out of the box without anything. Get comments. Okay, it should work. Yep, there's no comments so far, which is I expected. So let's add some. So before we do that, let's try to debug it whether we are getting it right. Log, and I'm gonna try comments. All right, and I'm gonna run it again, and I'm gonna check the database. Oh, so there was an error. So it was not using the GraphQL. Imported add comment is not exported. Yeah, it is. So it is. I need to export sync function add comment, and I'm gonna slug, and the other one is post. Sorry, comment. I'm gonna keep it as like this for now. Right. All right, there's an error. The value is undefined. Oh yes, it is. It is like, because I didn't pass the data variables. Slug. All right. I think now it should work. All right. Waiting. Okay. Oh, another error. Okay, data is undefined. Yes, it is. Should be this one. I think now it should work. I think it should work. Yes, it worked. All right. All right. Right. Let me try to create a mutation. Can I do that? Okay. Let's try to do that. Do that using here. So we have a schema, not schema. We have docs. Should they have something called create comment? Okay. I'm gonna do the create comment. I should be okay. It's a mutation for sure. I'm gonna hide this. I'm gonna comment this. Sorry. I'm gonna have mutation. It should be create comment data. I think I can put some. Yep. I can have a title. So let me create a slug, which is hello world for my blog post, and I need a name. It should be another, and I need the created that. I think yeah, I'm gonna pick something here. Yeah, I think this is the time. And what else we have? I think I need avatar. It should be let's some URL for right now. And then I need a name, avatar, created at, and I need the content. Yeah, which is my first comment from Fauna. Right, this is all I need, I guess. Slug. Okay, let me tag. Okay, your slug user ID. Okay, one field is missing. Missing. That's the user ID. Okay. Okay, so user ID, which I'm not worried right now. Okay, now I think we're good. Okay, there's an error. Okay, let me check. Okay, subsection. What subsection? Okay. Interesting. Maybe I think it's something with GraphQL, not. Let me check the schema first. Docs could be create comment. Okay, data, comment input. What's comment input? Okay. Maybe how can I do that? Maybe something with my GraphQL. Okay, data. Okay, okay, I need to pass an object maybe. Check. Let me check a little bit more. The comment. Okay. 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 My bad. It's not data comment input. I think I don't need this data thing. Yep. Let me copy this for a while. Okay. Data is comment input. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Okay, something is kind of wrong. Okay, okay, there's a comment from Twitch. There's a comment come up after slug. Okay. Okay, is that's the issue? Is that? Yeah, it's kind of stuck. What I can do, I'm gonna reload it, which is usually we do. Okay. Oh, okay. I have written something. That's a good point. which is yeah, let's get the slug. Create comment and yeah, let me do that. Copy this, create comment, user ID, and this is it, and I'm gonna run it, and I think okay, there's an error. It's not even clicking, maybe because of the syntax error. Do we have something? Okay. Yep. Let me yep, it's not showing here on the screen, which is kind of okay, which is fine. Syntax error, unexpected name, mutation create. All right. Which is weird, like let me put just luck. Oh, I can see error by hovering it. Okay, which is nice. Oh, I need to expected name. Okay, which is cool. Yeah, I figured it out. I need to put value here. thanks anyway. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't used. Yeah, again, I haven't used GraphQL for a while, so this is kind of expected, I guess. Let me pick all these things. All right, then I'm gonna copy again. All right, now it should work. Very good. Yeah, it works. Thanks, everyone. Okay, cool. All right. Okay. All right. I think now it's done. Let me pick this, and I'm gonna try to create a mutation. Create comment. Where was it? Like here, fauna. And I'm gonna use here, and I'm try to. Okay, I'm gonna copy this thing. Right. I think I'm gonna replace with this one. No, I think I'm gonna do this one. Query, because yep, I think I can simply pass the post. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that later on. For right now, I'm gonna use the same exact mutation. Code dig. All right, this one I'm gonna copy. Okay. Oh, that's bad. Okay. Yeah, I think user ID. I think I'm not interested about the output right now. So I think I can put it like this. So create comment and data, and I'm just gonna console log the data and just that. That's it. Return. Yeah, don't return anything. Okay, just okay, and just console log data. And data. So I'm trying to add a comment like this. All right. Okay. Right. I think now this is sort of fine, but it's just the dummy data. All right. Let me check. Okay. Now we have comment. Yeah, which is coming from the. Yeah. Cool. Let's add a comment. So I'm gonna check comment. So there's no optimistic UI right now. Yeah, it was added, like amazing. So I need to use the real data. So I think I'm gonna. I can. Yeah, I think I can pass the whole object here. So comment. Don't do comment dot slug is equal to slug, because that's not available in this object. and I'm gonna create a query, I guess. I think gonna name, I think, yeah, create a query. I'm gonna try comment, be comment, and then I'm gonna copy this thing. Like I'm not sure whether this works or not, but I'm gonna try it like this, and I'm gonna type this comment, and then I'm gonna put it here as comment. Yeah, I think it's not gonna work because there's a type called comment input, I guess, on the schema. But anyway, I'm gonna try it. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna change the type, and mine should work. Comment input. Anyway, let me try this. Okay. Yeah, there's an error, which is because I'm not trying to like catch errors very nicely. Now let me do that. Should be somewhere here. I think it's on here. Yeah, I'm not tracking errors like so because that's the issue. Yeah, let's try to like catch there as well. Or maybe do we? Like I'm not quite sure like whether we are showing the error here. No, I don't think so. Let me check the console log. We do. Right, what's the issue? Okay. Non-input type, yes. It's a command input. Let me change it to like command input. Okay, now it should work. I hope so. Right. Let me type it. Oh no, this time it doesn't work. Alright, let me check why. Okay, oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I think I there's a mistake in the syntax. I think I just need to do this. And I can remove this section. Okay, I think now it should work. Oh yeah, it works. Nice. Yeah, mutations. Yeah, this is easy. Yeah, I can do that because I don't need to like type all the fields manually. Yep, now I think it's done, I guess. This is all I had to do, like comments, blah blah blah. All right. Yep, I think the functionality I want is complete right now. I think we have like a couple of minutes left. Yeah, so I'm gonna go through the Fauna console and try and figure out what other things we can do. Functions sort of kind of like a Lisp, which I'm not gonna try right now. But we have collections. Yeah, we have, which is fine. Well, indexes. So I wonder how this works. So we have old post. Right. Okay, I can click here. Oh, index documents. It's nice. Okay. So get comments by slug. So because we have that, and it's created. All right, string, which makes sense. Yeah, which makes total sense. Cool. We have collections, indexes. Right. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I think let's get a new index manually. Cancel the collection and index name, can give something, terms, other terms, optional terms, field, spare which document field. All right, field. Okay, and the values should be -1 or something like that. Unique or serialized. Okay, which I'm not sure right now, but I'll check later on. Unique. Okay, unique indices. For this one, I think we have to create manual. But do we have something unique in GraphQL? GraphQL unique. Oh, unique directive. Oh, we have something like that. Schema directives. All right. Okay, we have something called direct. Okay, which is weird. I'm gonna. Okay. Check here. Maybe. Oh yeah, we have something like. I think this is go yeah. It's mentioned here. I assume it works like that. Right. Okay. Which is nice. I'm not gonna create it right now because I don't need to, like, if I define everything with GraphQL and it's kind of work. Index. I think that's all I need. But what's child database? Okay, it's just like a management thing. Right. Let's go back. Read ops. Yep. It's just like okay. Costing, usage breakdown. Okay. There's like about like history kind of thing. I want to know how can I like change the history. Where's history? Settings. No, not settings. Is it? No. Document. Go back. No, not that. Okay. Couldn't find that. DPO view. Collections. Indexes. Okay. Okay. I think yes, that's it. All right. But the pricing. Okay, let me check the pricing because I haven't done. Check that. DB pricing. Okay, how can I? Okay. Yeah, let me check this one. Monthly contract. Okay, this per month, GB per month. Reads. Yeah, which is not that bad. I mean, which is decent. Not, not, yeah. All right. Okay, so for this one, I need to have reserved DB storage. I think, yeah, I might choose this one for sure. But of course, like, so I can stay for a few months if I choose this version, but then I can change it to here. But I assume I can simply upgrade without doing any kind of like migration process. Okay, so let me take have 5 GB on disk. Read operations, let's say, I don't know, 100K. No. And write operation is not that much, 2000. Outbound data, let's say 5 GB, maybe, yeah, 100 GB. Yeah, which is pretty interesting. Let me increase the amount of requests I do. Yeah, it doesn't matter, I guess, because it's just for the 100k request. Oh, okay. 3 million is free. Yeah, I think this is pretty decent pricing, which is really nice. Yeah, this is it. And I think I'm pretty good with Fauna right now. So I think everything is set up. And yeah, I have to check the functions, which I don't really need at the moment. But yeah, but this will be interesting to have functions and try to function, because this functionality is there. Uh, right. Yeah, thanks everyone at Fauna, like trying to help me, and who, yeah, and watching this stream. Yeah, and I think, yeah, the reason one more thing I want to like, the reason I'm trying to use Fauna right now is because I'm creating a Next.js course. For that one, I'm creating this blog post with some other Next.js specific things. For this one, I'm using GitHub as a data source, but at the end, I'm trying to use some real databases to show how to connect with them. So that's why I'm trying Fauna to write that guide. So now I'm really comfortable on doing that. And yeah, and see you maybe later with something like this. Okay, thanks guys, thanks everyone, bye.